I do not see this thing. Wow. Let's start this game. For your man, Daddy, welcome.
What are you doing outside?
Well, we are playing.
Eh? You are? Will you get inside? You. We are playing. Playing ball. In fact.
The way Papa is treating us in this house, me, I don't like it too.
I thought I am the only one saying it. I mean, I am sick and tired of living this kind of life, where someone cannot walk freely without being followed everywhere. And then calls it protection.
Protection? What kind of stupid protection is that? Is that the way other fathers do take care of their children?
What do you want me to say? What? To say?
Rosas, the one that pains me most is someone cannot even walk freely in his own father's house. You go to the kitchen.
He's there.
Papa is there. To the sitting room. He's there. Every nonce and corners of his house. He's also there. Ah, is he a pest?
Very soon, he will start following us to the bathroom.
Hey, Papa, now.
Yes. What do you want?
I'm Juliet. I'm looking for
Uwa. My daughter. What is she to you?
my friend.
Your friend? What kind of friend is that? Do you know her? How do you know her?
I met her at the church.
Church?
At the mosque.
Oh, mosque.
In the market. 11. No. I don't want to die.
No.
We met
You should be in
nowhere.
heaven, you will die. So you cannot talk.
We met nowhere.
You cannot talk. So you want to come and take my child away dressed like this, carry her somewhere and bastardize her life? Eh? You will suffer. So, where do you think you're taking my child to?
Nowhere. I came to see her. She's my friend.
Now, let me warn you. If you ever step your foot into this compound there looking for my daughter Uwa, everyone will break your chest. Jesus. You know Jesus? Oh, Zanga, Jesus is born. Jesus. Look at her. If you are a mommy, what I will destroy you. This is how they enter. Go to the mosque, the church, the market. Nonsense. This girl looks like tilapia. Hey, hold on. There's a fish. Let's do what, sir. Who do you say you are looking for? And what do you say is your name? Oh, so you are not afraid. You came to my house practically dressed like a cheap prostitute. You show me your nakedness. Look at you. Ashawo kobo. Look at you. You are practically naked. See head of children falling from your lap. Head of children falling from your lap. Wazaga. Cheap food. Biagia. No, let me warn you. If they have paid you to come and bring my children, go back and return the money. Because my children will not live this kind of stupid life we were living now. Zaga. Come on here. And before I open my eyes, get out from my compound. I said get out! I shall wait, Bob. This one is naked now. There. Biagia. Zaga. No sense. Uwa. And to you all my children, I know people are thinking that the way I handle you in this house, I am just punishing you.
Yes, Papa. You're punishing us. Come to think of it now. Somebody cannot just drink water and drop the cup gently anymore in this house. Exactly. I'm tired of this kind of lifestyle. I'm tired.
Uwa, you are funny. See, I want you all to learn how to dress decently. Not just to behave anyhow like anyhow children. I don't want that.
Papa, is that why you are chasing away all our friends that came looking for us? But it is not right, oh. It is not right.
Do you call those things friends? Those ones that come looking and dressing like they are harlots? No. I don't want those kind of friends for you. No! I want you to move with friends who have bright future. Those who can propel you to better things in life. Not those guys. God forbid. I don't want that for you.
Papa, the fact that you are a father does not mean you should start chasing away all our friends that come to look for us.
Thank you.
I mean, Papa, we are ladies. We are girls. We'll get married and leave this house someday.
Exactly.
Papa, I don't like the way you are treating us.
Yes. Listen to me. Even the Bible says there is time for everything.
Papa, this is the right time.
When all the men are finished,
This
right?
is the right time. Papa, I don't like
What kind of nonsense is this? I said I don't want to see you with such friends again. And I mean again.
Papa, it's not fair.
Not fair, Papa.
Do I look fair?
No, you're black, but it's not fair. It's not fair.
Okay, my dear. Don't listen to them. You can't spoil her.
The way Papa was observing me whenever I passed his compound, as far as looking at his daughters, even though the face of the turtles are so safe.
So the thing even shock you?
But they shock me.
See, make I tell you one thing. If now me, I go there, enter, tell on my mind. The man will even welcome me. Yes, man.
To see the one welcome, bless never know the man be. For your mind say, if you go to grab, bless never know the man be.
You don't go reason no. I mean, no. Now maybe Shakara too nice. See, I too go nice. Go ask for everywhere. I too nice.
I know.
You see who have it in there? That day, I go chop and clean man. You see they happen.
He's really chop and clean man. As that man be, he should know the share more better. If you chop uwa, if you get me to chop uwa, me, I go eat to sato.
You don't bet me, Abi.
And so now,
you go see him.
And so he be.
Chopper.
Let me, as that man be so.
Yeah,
oh, see.
First.
Where are you going dressed like this?
Papa, I want to go and see Ebere.
Ebere?
Yes.
Who is Ebere?
Ebere na, that deeper life girl, she's my friend.
Oh, that's very good, eh?
Yes.
It is good to make friends with a deeper life.
But you understand.
Yeah. Come, let me tell you something.
Okay.
A deeper life girl, eh?
Yes.
Deeper life kill your head. Deeper life girl. There you go. Come, hey, you, wait.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Uwa.
Wow, that's nice. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
What a beautiful name for a beautiful princess like you.
Oh, come on, stop. You flatter me.
Uwa! Who are those with you?
Please, be going. Please, be going. My dad is coming.
Let's wait now. Let's get to see.
Go now. You won't understand.
Hey!
Go.
Wait.
What are you doing?
And you, what are you doing with my daughter?
Sir, we are your...
Okay, what?
Good morning, sir.
Hey, get me!
Sorry, sir.
Sir, good money. Your good money become bad money for you. Thunder strike you down. Come, let me tell you. Look at the way you are even dressed. You look like cultist. Actually, you are not cultist.
No, sir.
Anyway, Uwa, you go away from me, sir. Come inside. Look. Hey, wait. Come back here. See, let me warn you. Let today be your very first and last day you will ever in your life stand with my daughter and talk to her on the road. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Because if I catch you, what I will do to you, the moon and the stars will bear witness. Uwa!
Everything, you want to be everything. Everything. So mad.
Good afternoon. Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, let me have a word.
It's okay, no problem.
Maybe I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Can see. Please, I wanted you to come and prepare something for me to eat. I'm starving.
But not now. Maybe that should be later.
Why? I'm very hungry.
You know my father is still around, so I can't come.
Okay. So when will that be?
Maybe 30 minutes time.
30 minutes time. Keep to your time. Oh.
I will.
It's alright. I'll be in my room.
Bye-bye.
Come. What's he telling you?
Nothing. You only said I should come and cook for him.
Nothing. He said you should come and cook for him. When did that one start? I'm beginning to suspect.
So it's not what you think.
What is not like that? Anyway, it's for your own good. If father catches you with him, you have to. You know what is going to happen. I don't need to tell you.
I know. But it's just a friend.
I hear, Mrs. Advisor.
I don't have your time.
Mommy, where is Daddy? He's coming. I'll wait for him. He's wasting too much time.
How are you? I presume you are the young man that wants to marry my daughter.
That's true, sir.
Oh, that's nice. What is your name?
Well, sir, my name is Jude.
Jude?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that name is in the Bible.
Yes,
it's a good name. That's all right. And what do you do for a living?
Well, sir, I am actually a photographer. I snap pictures.
Oh, you snap pictures? Photographer?
That's correct, sir.
Snapping.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. You are doing well for the young man that you are.
Thank you, sir.
That's nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, photographer. Uwa, stand up. Turn around. You see her? My daughter is too expensive for you.
Ah, Papa!
Okay, quiet.
Stop that, Daddy. It's too much now.
Will you shut up your mouth? Let me finish talking to him.
I started again, no.
I will slap you now. You see, you are too poor to marry my daughter.
My husband!
On his talk. Look at what she's wearing. See this shirt. You can buy everything that you are putting. Just look at your slippers. Look at. They come to this store. This one cannot take care of my daughter.
Papa, this is too much now. It is too much.
Yes. You. So everything about it's too much. Your mouth too much. Too much. Too much. Yes. Everything about you is too much. Azura.
Daddy.
My dear, hold on. You see, my dear, let me talk to you. I mean, look at you. Look. I see you like one of those boys. Looking, I'm strolling around looking for whose destiny to destroy.
Daddy didn't know that.
Are you not seeing him? From the head to the soul? Oh no, you're a disappointment.
My husband!
Wait. Anyway, let me advise you. Better now, when you can still afford it, get out of my house and don't ever step in here. Because if you do, a behavior van or so you are.
But I love your daughter.
But Daddy, this was as so much for me now.
Shut up, man.
Papa!
Oh, Papa. Come, if I ever see you near this compound again, okay, you are even shaking yourself. Look at lights falling out of the shed. Nonsense.
My husband.
You can't want to hit
my husband. You are going too far. You are going too far.
You don't want me to get married, Daddy. Don't worry. You get married to me in this house.
Don't worry, you get married to her. Don't worry, Papa.
But what you said to her is too much now.
No.
And what about the gentleman? He's a human now.
I understand.
Daddy, I don't like it though.
Oh, come on.
You will still get married to me too.
Don't worry. No, you are
See, she's crying now.
No, you will pet her. See, you will understand only time. There's time for everything. You know you are my...
Illebors. Illebors.
Illebors. How do you do?
Were you as rich as that young man when you got married to me?
If I was as dull like this, will your father give you to me?
They dashed me to you.
Because
you were not sharp.
No, your father dashed you to me because I was very vigilant. I was very articulate. I was a veteran. Yeah, I saw against me. Sharp your father gave you to me free of charge. Yeah, we will kill yourself. But I will keep helping you. Not as dull as this. We will get here. Why them way? I would have dealt with him. I'll get married. That guy deserves some beating. Nonsense.
Oh, you're fat. Is it because you're fat? Leave me alone. Leave me. I will kill you to this because you're fat. Leave me. Leave me. Hey! Stop it! Is it because you're fat? I said stop it. Sweet yourself.
What is going on here? What is going on here?
Don't mind her, Mom. She's a naughty girl. She stepped on my toes.
Is that true? Is that true?
Mommy, she started the fair too. She started the fair. She still got to say when he said I don't like it. I don't just like it.
Osato! Now apologize to her. I said apologize to her!
Sorry.
Oh yeah, get inside. You, inside. How many hours will it take you to watch this place?
Mama, I'm almost done.
And be fast about it.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't like the way your father is overprotecting you and your sisters. It's not good now. It's not fair.
Mimi, I'm tired of his character. I'm tired. I'm just scared that this might stop us from getting married. I'm scared. Because I love you.
Getting married?
Yeah.
Me? Am I mad? See, if you like, if your father like, let him protect you for all I care. Nothing will stop us. I'm telling you, nothing will ever stop us.
I love you.
I love you more than you love me. Hey!
Somebody come and open the gate. I'm back. Anybody home? What is this? Anybody at home? Is nobody at home? Who is inside? Come and open the gate. Uwa.
Daddy.
Why did it take you so long to come and answer the gate?
I was.
You were.
Welcome, Dad.
Greet yourself. Where have you been?
I was in my room.
Open the gate. Uwa.
Daddy.
What are you doing?
I was reading, no. I was reading in my room.
Reading?
Yes, I was reading in my room.
Hey, Uwa, you reading?
Yes, Daddy.
Which book were you reading?
My Bible. The Bible. I was reading the Bible.
The Bible?
Yes, my Bible.
Jesus is coming soon. Uwa, you reading the Bible?
Yes, Daddy.
Uwa, why is your skirt jumping down and going down?
And nothing, I was in my room. I was laying down.
Where are the others?
They are in their room.
So which visitors use this chair?
I don't know that. The chair was here since it was here.
Uwa, this chair was here before?
Yes, it was here since.
And you were in your room reading the Bible?
Yes, Daddy, I was reading.
Wow, you were reading the Bible?
Yes.
Let's go inside.
I am not forcing you. I am begging you, please.
Iyuwa, my daughter will never go and stay with another person, no matter where. Or when not care where, like it's from abroad, wherever, I don't care. Not while I'm still alive. I can take care of my children. That's all.
My love. Olimo.
The reason why I am here.
The person we are talking about here, he is your brother and no other person else. Please, the way you take decisions sometimes, I don't like it. He's my husband.
See, you are. I don't even trust myself. Talk more of the brother you're talking about. See, please, I will appreciate it if you will just stop this conversation right now. She is going nowhere, and that is final.
As your lordship pleases.
We don't know. Let me tell you, I am their father, and I have every right to tell you what to do. That is what I say. I'm their father.
And you should not forget also they are my children also. They are my children. They are big enough to take decision for themselves.
Big enough?
Yes, they have their own rights.
Sorry, lie. A child cannot be too big to be called a child. If here we tell say no matter how grown an okra tree is, the owner will bend it and pluck it. It's even biblical that you should train up a child tight in the way it should grow, and then when it's old, it will not depart from it. Let me train.
What is it now?
Nothing, my dear. No,
That is not fair.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Mom, are you sure this man is even our real dad?
Ask him.
Hey.
Ask him.
I say to you, sir.
Sir?
Good. That question you just asked, I've been asking the question. Because now me, I'm not even sure anymore. Because the house we were before I built my own, I used to go to travel job. And I'm sure the landlord is your father.
Illebors. What a name?
No way.
No.
Your daughter.
You go and repeat that to the family. You go and tell that to the family. Your family will hear about it.
Sir, you will get ready and go to family meeting and say what you just said.
I am out of here.
You're out of here.
Yes.
Sir, you.
Papa.
Stop dragging her. Go, my dear.
Uwa, please, you're having a very important meeting in church this weekend, and I'm expecting you to come.
I would have loved to come, but you know, I'm scared of my dad.
Yes, that's true. Please just try and come, okay? I'm expecting you there.
Okay, I'll try if nature permits.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll be looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, are you girls going?
We are going to church.
Church, yes, church.
Oh, church.
We are going
Tell
to
me,
church.
since when have they started doing church program in a clubhouse?
Clubhouse. It's not a clubhouse. It's a church program.
Yes.
Church program. Going to church dressed like this, almost naked. Look at her. Try it. Turn up and down. Oh, you. New Moja evangelist. Now, if I open my way, come on, run into the house. Come on. Just get out. If I ever see you with my daughters again, I will deal with you. I say leave here. Why are you turning around like Baba chair? You don't know the road to your house. You see yourself? See yourself? Your witchcraft is manipulating you. Small engine, big piston. I don't understand.
You will not allow them to go and see your brother, and you will not allow them to go to church. Which side are you?
Which kind of? I don't want this kind of talk. You are the one spoiling these children.
My husband.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. I don't want to be kind. You are the one spoiling these children. Yeah.
Remind me of it.
Okay.
What about tomato and beans? Tomato and beans. And the beans.
Excuse sir. What are you doing?
I'm sorry, sir. I just asked her to give me a number. Nothing attached to it.
I mean no harm,
I mean no harm, sir.
She should give you her number.
Yeah, I mean no harm.
Excuse sir.
Sir?
You are giving him your number.
But no.
Then what were you not doing?
He was just asking to download something from his phone.
Oh yes, download.
Oh, download. It's not number.
No, download.
It's download.
Download.
Let me see. Yeah. This is download. This is what you come to do in so. This is download. Oh, you think I don't know how to use these technological gadgets? I think I don't know.
My husband!
Daddy, stop this!
Now, if I see you in this store again, if I see you here again, in fact, wait for me.
Sir, my phone.
Stop this!
My phone.
What is it? Papa!
You. Is this what you come to talk to you? No! This is what you come to do in the store. You are selling everything.
Daddy, please. Daddy, it's okay. Daddy, it's okay.
You see what you are doing?
Daddy, it's not
If not for a waiting here today.
Only waiting here. Daddy, please. It's okay. But I did not do anything. Daddy,
My husband! My husband! In my store again! In my store!
Just hold it! Hold it there! Under your very nose, you are seeing your daughter selling herself.
Selling herself!
Number.
Selling herself!
His number what the man came to buy.
Daddy, stop this now. Stop chasing all that.
Come, let's go home!
Come, we go.
Let's go home!
Go and sit down.
Come, let's go home!
Sit down. Sit down. We're coming
someone
down. Uwa. Did you see what the younger ones are doing? Is that where you come to store to do?
This thing is too small. It's too small.
You're not buying again.
No, thank you.
Come on back. Do you have? Come on back. Do you have?
My husband!
Come on back. Do you have?
My husband!
You see your life.
I tell you this.
Come on back.
Let's go.
You know what? Let's go practice.
Let's go home.
Do you have? Do you have? Come on back, do you have?